guess to find your way to the answer, you need to navigate. Well, now, David, tonight and the last few nights, and of course tomorrow night, we have players around us of the highest quality.
Precisely why I have chosen this word for tonight's word story, Richard, and that is calibre, C-A-L-I-B-R-E. Now, a lot of people will have heard that word, on sort of police shows because it is actually the diameter of a gun barrel, but it's also a person's quality or character. And what is the link between these two ideas? Well, let's take a look at where the word comes from. And it's from actually from the Middle East. The word qalib, Q-A-L-I-B, a word I wish we could have in our language without that U, is actually a shoemaker's last.
So that's that kind of like a metal thing with different boot shapes on it that you put shoes on and then repair them and so on.
That's right. But when this idea of shaping crossed the divide, came to Europe, and the spelling shifted, then it was gun barrels and it was metals that needed moulding and shaping. So the link from shoes to arms, if you like, from feet to hands, became about the calibre of gun barrels. And that is also why we say a person is of a certain metal, a certain quality, because the word metal, M-E-T-T-L-E, is linked to metal, and a person of a certain mould. So the idea of calibre is about someone who has been shaped in the highest quality, just as much as these players have been looking at Colin's last maths equation and looking at Jeremy's shakier. We are amongst players of the finest calibre.
Well, and that is a backstory of the highest calibre too. Thank you, David.
Thank you.
Let's have a look at our scores. Jeremy is on 14 and Colin is on 17. Only 3 points between them in this semi-final as we head for our next letters. And Jeremy, get those going, please.
Sure. And a consonant to begin.
D.
And a vowel.
O.
And a consonant.
M.
And a vowel.
I.
And a consonant.
N.
And a vowel.
E.
And another vowel for fun.
Oh wow, you threw me. E.
And then a consonant.
B.
And another consonant to finish.
And lastly, S.
Here's the clock. Well, how did you like that one, Jeremy?
I have a 6.
A 6 is good. Colin?
I'll try a 7.
Oh, there was some careful consideration first, but let's hear Jeremy's 6 first.
I have demons.
And your 7, Colin.
D-bones.
D-bones. What do you think, David? He's heading for the dictionary.
Colin, we have debonair and we have debit, but the Macquarie does not list D-bones, and we do need to use this as the house dictionary. So it takes us back to demons for 6, Jeremy. Well played. And Jeremy, you may be anguished to hear that the 8 that I have is demonise, D-E-M-O-N-I-S-E.
So well done, Jeremy. 6 points. Bad luck for Colin. So, Colin, let's hope the luck improves with this round as you choose some more letters for us.
Okay. Consonant, please.
Thank you. H.
And another one, please.
G.
And a vowel, please.
U.
I don't think they're improving. A vowel, please.
A.
And a consonant, please.
F.
And a consonant, please.
T.
And a vowel, please.
O.
And another vowel, please.
I.
And a final consonant, please.
And lastly, Z. Kidding. D.
I'll start the clock. think maybe we should never mention the word luck, because as soon as we did and those letters started coming out, you weren't too pleased with them. But at least that D on the end wasn't a Z, as Lily pretended just for a second and a half. How did you go? How many?
9, obviously. No,
We would be delighted, but how many did you really get?
I got 6.
6. 6 sounds good. Jeremy?
Also 6.
Also 6. Let's begin with yours.
I have fought.
And yours, Colin?
I have fought also.
Would you not argue over it and just show it to each other? Happy, David?
I've got fought as well.
This is the first time you've ever verified, I think. You saw it first here.
Yeah, that's right. That's all I could find as well. That was a 6 to be found, and there it was.
Not a lucky mix, but one with a great deal of agreement from everybody in the studio, Colin and Jeremy. 6 points each. Well, I don't think Lily can pretend that a 3 is a 4 or a 7 is an 8 in our next numbers game, but let's see what happens. Jeremy, what would you like to choose?
I'll have 2 large and 4 small. Thanks, Lily.
Thanks, Jeremy. 2 large and 4 small. And our numbers 2, 1, 5, 10, and the 2 large, 75 and 50. The target to reach is 883.
Thank you, Lily. Can we get there? Jeremy, how close?
I have 882.
1 away. Pretty good going. Colin?
883.
883. Excellent going. So how did you do it?
10 plus 2 is 12.
10 plus 2 is 12.
75 minus 1 is 74.
75 minus 1 is 74.
Multiply them together and it's 888.
888.
And subtract 5.
Take away the 5 is 883.
Wow, those are mathematical neurons absolutely firing. Did you do the same sort of thing? How did you go with this one, Lily?
I did actually use the same method.
Your neurons are firing too. We knew they would. But great work from Colin. 10 points. So that means Jeremy's on 26. It's still anybody's game, though, because Colin is on 33. As we head for another break and another word mix for you. Beer lamp. The clue, before a slow walk. Back in a while.